The big Mercedes two-door sports car, the big one. Lights aren't too bad. A little wear and tear, nothing crazy. But wasn't fitting to be a Mercedes with those headlights, so we had to fix them all up, in which we did. You could see a lot of scratching, some white haze on them. But we took care of business. There you go. It's the way it's supposed to look. Look at that. It looked brand new. Look at that one. Like brand new. If you're in South Florida, give us a call, 754-302-0769. We come to your home or office. You can text us your pictures. Or call us. We service Broward, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach counties. And we are the best in the business. Thank you.